be doing something. We're gonna be doing some stuff today. I'm really excited to do this, to be honest, because like it's just gonna be fun, you know. It's just gonna be really fun, you know. I do have like this little thing right here. I just don't want to have like a shirt on and then I get like it messy. I'd rather just have like a little like sports bra kind of thing, and get that messy instead of having like a shirt that I actually really like. So I'm just gonna change later into something. Maybe I won't, maybe I'll just like do something. I don't really know if I want to do something on my chest. I'm just really gonna dive in and see what happens. I mean, I have some ideas of what I want to do today, but as you guys see by the thumbnail, that's what I'm going to be doing. But right now, I haven't done it yet. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I know, but like I don't know what kind of like little things I want to do, because I think I want to do some stuff to the chest, but I don't know what to do to the chest, and my hair is so messy. But I will be doing something to it later, so it won't be looking like this the whole video. And I couldn't find like a black background. This is actually a gray sheet like that you sleep with. It's a blanket, but I couldn't find a black one, so I was just like, okay, let's just like use a gray one, I guess. The reason why I'm doing the intro real quick now is because later I don't think I'm going to be able to talk, because I am going to be using face paint, and I think it's going to be a little bit drying, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to like talk to you guys and like actually speak without like hurting myself, hurting my cheeks. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this first, but yeah, so I don't really think there's anything else to tell you guys but to subscribe if you're new. Also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you can be the first one to like and comment, or even share the video if you really want to. If you really like if you really like the video, then you could share it, you know. You have my permission. But yeah, so I just have a bunch of Halloween makeup ideas, so there's going to be a lot heading your guys' way. I'm thinking of maybe changing my schedule just for the month, because there's a lot of stuff that I want to do, and I don't think I could do it with like the time that I have, because I upload 2 videos a week, and I don't know if all the ideas that I have will be able to fit in the schedule that I have. So I maybe like tweaking my schedule a little bit, just a little bit, not like hardcore, you know, maybe 3 or 4 videos a week. Maybe that's hardcore, I don't know, but there's a lot of ideas that I have, and I want to get them all on my channel right away. So from now on, I'm pretty sure it's going to be Halloween videos, so please don't unsubscribe if you don't like that kind of stuff. Hopefully some SFX makeup, and like a whole bunch of bloody, gory, scary stuff. And I'm pretty excited, because last year I did it, and the year before I didn't really do good. I mean, I did good, but I want to do great. I want to be better at like Halloween makeup, because I want to be good at any kind of makeup. I don't want to be just good at like glam makeup. I want to be good at like gory stuff too. So so now the rest of the month is going to be Halloween videos, hopefully. I don't think I'm going to be doing glam makeups. Maybe I will, but if it is, it's going to be like a Halloween version of glam. You know what I'm talking about? There's like, yeah. So we're just going to get into this video, because I know that it's going to be long, and I'm hopefully that this video is not going to be like super long. But yeah, so let's just get into this Halloween makeup tutorial. Alright guys, yeah, we're doing another voiceover. All the videos most likely are gonna be voiceovers for like the Halloween makeup looks. I'm sorry about that if you don't like voiceovers, but it's just easier for me to concentrate in the moment and like to edit as well, because I know that these videos that I'm like doing for Halloween are gonna take forever to edit and forever to like watch. Like, it's gonna be a long time if I don't do a voiceover. So I'm sorry about that, but the voiceovers will be done soon. But I just took the Morphe palette from Jaclyn Hill, the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, And I took the color that I showed you guys and put that in my crease, but I realized that the look that I want to do, I actually have to do my full face first. I could do my eyes first and then my full face like I usually do, but I really want this look to be very blown out and blended and not sharp, so I just went ahead and did my full face. And by the way, everything in this video will be down below for you guys in order. Like, I'm not even gonna tell you guys what foundation and concealer I'm gonna be using because it'll be down below for you guys. So yeah, and we're not really gonna be doing the full face. We're just doing concealer, foundation, and we're just gonna set it all, and that's all we're gonna do. You can do highlighter, you can do contour bronzer, but the contour bronzer is gonna be kind of covered anyway, so I didn't see any point of doing that part. But you can do highlighter. I thought of doing that, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that because I didn't want a whole bunch of highlighter on and that take away from what was happening on the face. But I just took this Airspun loose face powder and just set my under eyes, and then I take an e.l.f. powder. It'll be down below for you guys. I don't know what like the full name is called, and I don't know the color, but it'll be down below for you guys. And I'm just gonna set my whole face, my neck, because I did put foundation down there. Just sweeping away that powder that I just put on. I put that powder on my smile lines, my chin, and my cupid's bow, by the way, also, just so, yeah, whatever. And then I start winging out the makeup look with the same color that I took earlier, the same color that's in my crease. I just took that, really blown it out and make it like really fierce and stuff. And then I just take that on my lower lash line also. And then I'm taking this Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette, and then I'm just going to pack it on my lid, and basically do the same exact thing that I did with the other color, the lighter yellow/orange shade. The only difference that I'm doing with it is putting it on my lid. So I'm just going to really blend that out also and put it on the lower lash line as well. Just really blow that out and blend it out because you don't want any harsh lines, and make it very messy. You don't have to, you can have it very clean, it'll still look good, but I really wanted this to be very messy, blown out, since it's a Halloween look. Halloween looks aren't perfect, so yeah. And then I just took this Ulta Beauty, I don't know what it's called also, it'll be down below for you guys, but it's called Blackout. I know that's the name. It's an eyeliner, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line. And I'm blending it out with that orange that we put on the lid. I know I look very crazy right now. It's really like, I was like, I don't know, maybe I should remove it all. But, you know, you gotta do things and then it'll be perfect. You know, in the middle, in the process of doing things, it's gonna look horrible, but at the end, in the end, it's gonna look really good. And then I'm just taking this Wet n Wild waterproof liner, and it's in black, I believe, and I'm just gonna do a really thick wing. And this is a weird part. I saw this on Pinterest, whatever you want to call it. But I saw this technique on there, and it was like very, like, I don't know what to call it, but like there was like dots on the eyes. That's what I'm doing right now. And then the liner wasn't straight and fierce, it was kind of like bumpy, so I was doing that, and I really like how it turned out. I think it really looked very creative to me personally. Like, if I didn't do like the mouth and everything and the nose part that you guys saw in the intro, I would literally just wear this look out in public. I would. Do my full face that look? Yes, please. But I'm just going to be doing my nose. I'm just outlining it with the black liner that I use for my lower lash line. And then I'm filling it with this, I don't even know what this is called. It doesn't even have a brand on it. I have no idea, but it's just a cream makeup water washable little thing. Yeah, I really don't know. But it'll be down below for you guys. And yeah, and then I start outlining. I can't speak today. I just started outlining my mouth. Now this part, I don't know. It was very hard for me, not outlining it, but like it just took forever and ever and this literally took me 2 hours. No joke. It took me 2 hours. Not filling it in and outlining it, that took me like 2 seconds. It took me 2 hours to make the kind of teeth looking parts. That's what took me forever to do. Like, oh my god, that took me forever. This part right here, ugh, oh my god. I hated every second of it. I was hungry, I was tired, my hand was tired, my eyes were tired, like I was just done with it. And right at the points of those like triangle kind of things, I kind of like make it go up but hardly touch my skin, just so it kind of, I don't know what you call it, it's just like I really like softly go up. So it's like a crack kind of. And also this part does not have to be perfect. None of this is perfect, okay? Make it very random. You could have these parts very like apart or close together like me. Some of these things are very close, but some of this stuff is very apart. You really just want to let your hand do it. Let your hand do the job, you know. And then I take the color that I put on my lid, which is from the Morphe palette, and I just really blend out the edges so it's like, it's not just like black. It gives a little bit of kind of dimension, like a shadow kind of. I really don't like, I just really like how it looked, okay? Like, I don't really know what I was doing, to be honest. I was just going for it. You know, I did it. I mean, I am inspired. I'm not like totally like this is not my kind of, like, not my art, but you know, it's okay. And I just did that on the mouth as well, just really get in there, make it darker, apply some in like some areas, and then blend it out with that brush, and then apply more, blend it out, apply more, and blend it out, just so it's very defined. And it really brings some color to the look also, and it also brings everything together. But yeah, so if you guys like this look, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!